Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Consultant Mindset. Hope you guys are doing great and living your best lives. Life is beautiful with parents. Parenthood is something precious that can never be put into words. Sometimes it happens that parents do not pay attention to their kids. Either it's done intentionally or unintentionally. But one thing is for sure, parents never want any harm to their children. Sometimes they do not listen to their kids because of their unwanted demands. Since kids are immature and do not know about their well-being, so it is binding upon parents that they should protect their kids from all the detrimental stuff. In this video, I will give you some tips by which you can make your parents listen to you easily. Before that, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel Consultant Mindset. Let us get straight into the video. Try not to be defensive. The first and foremost thing is to develop trust. The bond of trust is stronger than any other bond in this world. If you're having a strong bond with your parents, then there is no chance that they are not going to listen to you. You can make parents do anything if they have that formidable connection with their children. It depends on culture sometimes that kids become afraid of their parents due to their strict attitudes. Being strict with kids will only damage their internal and will allow them to do things secretly. It is advisable for parents not to use those ways on kids. It is highly recommended for kids not to conceal anything from their parents. Just make them your best friends. And tell them your every dirty little secret. Because no friend is more honest and pure with you than your parents. Do not try to act defensive with your parents. It can create suspicion in their hearts that our son/daughter is hiding something from us. Just tell them wherever you are going and whatever you are doing. You do not have to lie to them. Tell them straightforwardly about your love life and your friend circle, so they can be sure about your well-being. If your mom asks when you are going to be home, then it is not because she is checking on you. It's just she wants you to be safe and sound. The same goes for dad. Kids of today's era think that their parents are keeping a check on them. However, parents are just reliving their tensions. Try to pick a time that is good to talk. It happens sometimes that kids want to talk to their parents but their parents decline them. It can be due to some reasons. Either they can be busy with their colleagues or they can be dealing with something more fundamental. I have a strong association with my mother. And we have a real besties kind of relationship with each other. She notifies me of everything about her. And I tell her my every secret. Sometimes she snubs me from some things, but I know they are for my progress as well. Sometimes she does refuse me and does not listen to what I say. It is always due to some reason that either she is working or she's on the phone. But after getting free from her stuff, she makes sure to ask me what I was about to tell her. She listens to all my things and gives me the best direction. Keeping in view this whole design, I must say, if your parents are denying to listen to you, you can just simply ask them when they will be free so you can talk. Deciding a coinciding time will let you talk freely to your parents. Time it right. Some kids do stuff like this that tells the most significant things amidst any random stuff already going on. Things are not done like this. There is the proper timing for everything. Sometimes things like this happen. Whenever you are about to ask mom about something crucial but she is scolding your younger sib and is already in a bad mood. So there are rare chances that she will permit you to do that specific task. So timing is very important in parenthood. You got to find the perfect timing for everything. For example, you are going to ask about having a sleepover at a friend's house. If she's in a bad mood already, then there are only about 20 to 30% chances that she will let you go. But if she is already in a good mood, then there are 90% chances that she will allow you. Make things work like this, instead of doing them randomly in an unorganized way. In concluding my whole debate, I must say, by developing good relationships with your parents, you can easily get them to listen to you. Proper communication and understanding can make you good buddies with your parents. Try suggesting parents some music of your taste so you can get along with them. Talk about things of their interest as well. That is all for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Bye bye.